Hi everyone, welcome to my first clip from my lorry training. Now these are a couple of junctions right by Norris Green Test Centre, which is here on the left, that I know really well. And these types of junctions can be problematic for the lorry driver. But this is the first time I get to do them sitting behind the wheel of an 18-tonner.
You do have all these trees, but yeah, we're going straight on here, yeah?
Okay, cool.
So, basically we should be saying we're going into that road on the other side, that you can see.
Yes.
Rather than say give a direction.
Yes.
Question, do you think we fit in the middle?
No.
Definitely not.
And I'm not wasting that one.
Okay. You've got it. Different examiner was chatting the other week, he said the amount of people who bring their learners through there, he still does learners and they indicate right there, you know, no on the other side.
Yeah,
They're indicating right.
Tells people going up there.
Yeah, he said it's not a right turn. Then he come through and then he put a left signal and come down here, he said the right signal.
I'm glad you let me have to go with one of these as well, Paul.
Yeah, bit of a nasty awkward turn. But
Yeah.
this is like you letter Y junction again. You've got to get your lorry on an angle so you can see.
Yeah.
A bit like what we used to teach in the cars.
Yeah.
And because of the truck, it's got hatch marks broken. If you need to use the hatches, then use them, okay?
Can I go over this line a little
If you
bit?
need to slightly, yeah, I would.
But now I'm going to go.
Get back as much as you can. Yeah. As much as you can so you can try and see.
And I'm up to the line
Can
now.
you see the lean?
Hmm.
You can open this window as much as you can if you're on your own. Try and listen to something coming. When it's safe, you might just commit a little bit more over before you fully commit.
Yeah.
And that's why you're getting that angle. Okay, it's good. Next, another one.
That was hard as hell.
Yeah, nasty one, but you've got to do as much as you can.
Yeah.
And the only option I had left was when it was safer once I just edge a bit more.
Yeah. And again, not too fast, so it shows people you're coming out. You just
Exactly.
no problems.
You're not frightening the life out of anyone who's thinking, where's that lorry going? Yeah.
All good.
Just straight on now, please.
Excellent.
Yeah.